Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you guys my subscription boxes for the month of February. So the first one is the Nail Boxy box. This month they did a collab with Daily Charm and they try to do the box for Valentine's Day. So the good thing is that I got the box. I think it was the second week of this month, which is amazing. It got here on time. So the first thing is the acrylic mold, and they are in heart shapes, different sizes, which I love them. You guys have seen me using a lot of them lately on my videos. Also, it came with stickers for Valentine's. And they also send these tools, which I love. They are amazing to work with carving gel. It's like a little spoon and a little spatula, which I like. Also, they send these two beautiful heart charms, and I'm sorry that I cannot give you a close up. And also, these metal parts, which are hearts and arrows and things like that, and caviar beads in gold. Also, this is a mix of glitter, like heart shapes from Daily Charm as well. And this is a chrome powder. And I think it's like a white color with glitter. Don't worry, guys, we'll be using this on my videos. So if I don't open them, that's fine. And this is a 3D gel. We will be using that as well. And this is a beautiful pinky gel polish. And my next subscription box, it is from the brand Glitz Accessories and Such. They launched their subscription box this year. So they started in January, which I already have a video showing you guys what came in that box. So this box is the one for this month. Also, it came with a Valentine's Day theme as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. And this is my second box with them. I subscribed in January. So far, I like the one in January. And they also send a gift and also a card inside with a discount code if I want to buy anything from their website. I think it's like a 15 or 10% discount code. And this is a beautiful glitter mix that they always send different things. So this is a foil with heart shapes, and I use this foil for my Valentine acrylic nail tutorial with that I use Young Nails acrylics. And this is roses, and it's also acrylic roses with rhinestones stick to the side. Very beautiful. And this here is a mix. I don't know if you guys know what Filmo is. So pretty much that's what it is. It is like rubber band material, but in the shape of heart. They also come in fruit shapes. They became very famous, I would say, back in 2010 because they came in a lot of shape and forms. I do have a lot of them. I used to buy them like in a long side and then I would cut them, which is a lot of work. But now they sell them like this, so you don't have to cut them anymore, and you can find them on Amazon, on eBay, and they are really, really cheap. You can encapsulate them or just leave them like that and just glue them on your nail. The next theme is a glitter mix for Valentine's, which it has a lot of different shapes of glitter. Also have two big glitters that say love. And one thing I like about this subscription box is that if you take a look, they put everything individually packed. Especially glitters, I love that they put it in a bag because if something happened and this glitter get all over the box, it is a mess. So I'm really happy that they pack everything in individual bags so it prevent that from happen. The next thing is this beautiful mix of rhinestones. So they always send the previous box always had like one like this too, which is pretty much this one. It is red pixie, and they added a little bit parts of metal and some big rhinestones. And also they have like a silver chain in it and other metal parts as well. pretty much it's like a mix of rhinestones and crystals and stuff like that. This is another mix, beautiful mix. You have white flowers, you have metal parts, but this one are in gold. You have rhinestones, beautiful shiny rhinestones, pearls, little pearls for nails. And this is a foil. Look how pretty. This is like a marble foil. And this you can use this with acrylic, you can use this with polygel, in a lot of nail designs. I can definitely will be using this one for doing that, especially now for spring tutorials. They will be nice, and it's a good amount that they send in the package. Like you don't, they're not cheap. They just say that way. It is a good amount that they put. The next thing is another. Oh, this is stickers, heart stickers. Since it is a Valentine box, you get heart stickers, which they're pretty nice, so you don't have to draw them in the nail. And the next thing will be more stickers. It is red roses stickers and a little bit of green leaves. Oh, and also have a big leaf for St. Patrick's Day. And it says, I love you too. Yeah, it says not to. It says I love you. And then the green leaves at the bottom, which they don't make sense, right? Because if they're like Valentine's, I mean, I guess the top part will be for Valentine. The bottom part will be more like for St. Patrick's Day, I guess, or any summer tutorial. And oh, they send the whole what's this? Condensed gel glue. So pretty much this is for big crystals. Like if you want to do rhinestones on your nails, or if you want to go all out and do the full nail with rhinestones, you just put this on the tip and then you will add them all, and it will hold your rhinestone for a while. One thing I see here is the file. This is they also put a file in the box of January, and they put it again in the box of February. I don't know if they're gonna do this all the time. Hopefully not. But you can never run out of files. I mean, files are good, and this is 100 and 180 grids. I also like the packaging. You guys can see all the stuff they put in the box, how pretty it looks. And the last thing will be this. These are pink pixies. The box for January, they also same one, but it was white pixie. This one is pink pixie. So I'm guessing for the next month it will be green pixies for St. Patrick's Day. So let me know if you guys have heard of these brands before, nail boxy, glitzy, accessory and such. Let me know that you can also follow them on Instagram. They also are very active on Instagram. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Subscribe to my channel if you're not. There's more things coming to my channel. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.